What's up everyone, Michelangelo back with another video today. Today I wanted to do a little tutorial on how to actually whiten the boost on any type of boost shoe that you guys have. I've had these since they first released in 2016, the Ultra Boost 2.0, and they've seen quite a bit of time and outerwear, so of course the boost is actually yellowing quite a bit all the way around on both shoes. So I've never actually done it before, but I'm gonna try it with these shoes for you guys to see. The first thing that you're gonna need is a washing machine, and the second thing you're gonna need is going to be these Sharpie whiteout pens. It has a paint and oil base. These are the pens I'm gonna be using to actually create the white on the boost to regenerate what it was when I first bought it. So the first step is to actually just put them in the wash. I usually put it on just a delicate cycle with a low spin, cold water, a little bit of laundry detergent, and I'll just let that go for the first time around. When I get them out, I'll let them dry. I usually just put them on my dehumidifier batten down in my basement, and that worked out great. So of course I have no issues with the upper, that's perfect. It's just the actual boost that I am wanting to fix. So I'm gonna just do a video of me going through the actual process of doing this. I'm not gonna be using any tape. I'm just gonna be going freehand and trying to see how good I can get it, because of course with a little bit of white on either the heel cup or a little bit of fabric, it's not gonna be too noticeable as long as this is just really white. So that's what I'm gonna be trying to do today. Let's get into it. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. Hope this tutorial showed you how to actually turn your boost back to white again. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. I really appreciate it if you do. If you want to subscribe, that's even better. If you have any comments down in the comment section, just put them there. I will get back to you. Thanks again for tuning in guys. Michelangelo out.